I'm like, yeah, I just got the message today, so yeah, I didn't get a reminder yesterday, so like I said, I use it as a to-do list, so if the message comes in, I can look at it. If it doesn't, I don't remember anything. So, okay, so yeah, I remember doing this site update for you. Yeah, so you want to change the pictures in here. Okay, so now I know what I'm looking at. And what you're going to do here is this. You're going to go into your library, your sliders folder, and the full screen slider. Okay, and right here is an images folder. This is where I've put all your images right here from the original update that I did, and this is where you're going to replace them, right? Now here's a simple thing. You see how I've numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If I take a look at my full screen slider.lbi page right here, okay, see how I have everything? I'm going to shove all this over, right? There's image 1 right there. There's 5, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, and the reason I named the images 1 through 5 is to make it really easy to update. So you take your images and you rename them to 1 through, so if you have 1 through 13, rename them 1 through 13. Okay, just the digit and then a dot and then the JPEG all lowercase. Then over here in your slides, right, so here's the, say the 5th slide right here. You see how I've commented it? Slide 5, slide 5. Copy all of this and do it in the code view. Copy all of this right here, so line 64 to 76. Copy it. Now, go down below here a little bit, and then paste for each additional picture. Paste all that code one time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I had 5. I want 13, so I have to add 8 more. Right? And then what I would do is I would take my images, rename them 1 through 13, put them all in this folder right here, and then I would start up at the top here and I'd go image 1, I'd scroll down and go image 2, and then I go image 3, right down, image 4, and I'd change this to 5, and then I would go, starting with the new ones, 6, and 7, and 8, and keep going, and 9, and then this guy here, number 10, and all I'm looking for is images and then the number, right? And then 11 and 12 and 13. That's the first thing I do. The next thing I do is I do this. I go to the top and you see where it says slide 1 and slide 1, and then 2 and 2. Well, to keep myself organized, what I would do is there I'd go 3 and 3, and there's 4 and 4, 5 and 5, and now I'm going to go here and I'm going to change this to 6. I'm going to go down and make this 6, and then I'm going to go 7 and 7. It's called, these are comment tags if you're not sure what they're called, right? You probably are, but this keeps things organized, so when you're looking for certain slides, you don't have to figure other things out. You comment right away as soon as you do your copying and pasting and you're updating, and then life will be good. And I'm going to keep a copy of this in case you get in trouble. I'll have a backup for you right here, which I've already made. Right, and there's 13, and finally 13. Okay, so the image number matches the comment number, and you're good to go. Okay, and that's really all you have to do for that. Just make sure your images go into the library, sliders, your full screen slider folder, and then your images folder. All right, let me take a look at your page again here. Where did we go here? Right here. Logo. Okay, so this logo right here, I have to figure out where I put it because I had to do a special update for you, right? So if you're going to change this out here, okay, let me just go figure out where I did it because I did a special thing here for you, right? That's the image, that's the, okay, I'll tell you what here. I created a new top section for you, which consists of a background and a logo so it all matches, right? And this image here is located in the root folder, I think. So it is, what's the name of it? Default PS logo default 3 JPEG. So logo default 3 JPEG. This one right here, that's the picture right there that you need to change out. Okay. And how did I put it into your pages here? I just have to figure out how I did it because that was a special update. Okay, and in order to change it, you'd actually have to go into your template DWT, open that up, go to templates, template DWT, and you can either just update the image directly, or you can change things out right there. That's where the logo is being loaded in from. You'd have to change the name of the picture right here, and you see how it has a little // which takes it up to the root level. So that's where the image is being loaded in, and that's the wrapper for the whole top of the page.